Always lube that joint real good, man. That baby lube, no diddy. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oil change, mine. Bro, y'all don't even know, like, they're like the, I don't even know what they're called, but these are busting, bro. Wanna go oil change? Let's see what it looks like.
Bruh.
Let's find out. Let's go! This oil's brand new, dude. Brand new oil filter.
I bet.
Clean your oil filter, man. Hey, man, before you install a new one, always clean it. Always. And when you put on brand new seals, always lube them. Get a little bit of shim oil, get a little moist. Lube that joint real good, man. That baby lube, no diddy. More lube never hurts, bro. Just know that. Put some more lube in there. Lube that mug, yes, sir. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Get that joint moisturized. Aveeno, sponsor me. Y'all don't shop with that. Yeah, there. Boom.
Oh man, lo cagué. Damn, G.
You better spill it, cuz.
Bruh.
Nigga, yes, sir. Nice, just put more metal in my engine. Nice. I need a filter.